everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Windows 10 automatic updates, which is something that they say is for, you know, patches, the security and all those kind of things, but it can be very interrupting and inconvenient when you're in the middle of your work and it just suddenly forces you to shut down and restart and update for a long time. Sometimes it takes a long time, and usually it comes up with its own bugs. So instead of actually fixing any problems, they usually come up with problems. Some of your software that you have probably will stop working. It will cause all sorts of havoc in your system. Just as usual, typical of them, pretending that they can go to the moon and go to Mars and send robots there. They're making electric cars that they don't run, but they can't make an operating system that actually works and stick to that and stay with it. It's been going on for how many decades? Anyway, that's my rant, and that's another BS that they give us, and I don't believe that. So I personally shut the automatic updates off, but in another video I'll show you how to pause it if you want. If you're not comfortable completely shutting it off, you can pause it for a period of time. So first thing you do, you go to the search bar of the taskbar here down below. You type run, and run app appears here. You just run that, or you can just press Windows key as well as R key, and that just comes up, and there you type services.msc. You wait and a window opens which gives you all sorts of options here, but you go right all the way down, you scroll it all the way down, and you'll see Windows updates here. Windows update. You click on that, right click on it, properties, or you could just double click on it. Double click on that. Now you've got options: startup type, automatic, manual, disabled. Now if you're not comfortable to turn it off for good, if you want to, like I do, I just disable it completely and say OK and apply. If you're not happy with that, you can put it on manual, so you can always go back and update it at your own convenient time. So you just say that OK or apply, and so in my case I'm just going to go there and say disabled for good. Apply. OK, and that's done. This is how you turn off your Windows 10 automatic updates. In a different video I'll show you how to pause it if you want to pause it for a period of time. Till then, goodbye.